Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Souphany and today we are going to be reviewing the conspiracy palette as well as the controversy palette. So we're going to do some live swatches, we'll attempt to do live swatches and then a mini tutorial. So I'm just going to show you how I did my eyeshadow today and whatnot. You can skip through the video if you want and let's hop right into it. So I guess we can start out with the little mini palette. The packaging has a Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo and Shane Dawson, so it's their collaboration, and it's the mini controversy palette. And on the back it usually has the same old stuff, ingredients and the symbol. And this packaging is so nice. It's just like black and it has that TV static that Shane Dawson was talking about, and it feels really nice. She is so beautiful. This palette, it's so pretty. It's like that holographic effect. And then let's open her up. Ta-da! So here is the palette, the mini palette. It is so pretty. So pretty. I love this blue shade down here and this purple. Okay, so I didn't really know what to do, but I wanted to show you guys some live swatches. I have the palette right here. And I also put eyeshadow primer on my arm already, just so you guys know. Okay, so this shade is going to be Flat Earth. I guess I'll start over here. This is Flat Earth. Flat Earth. And we have Cry on My Couch. This literally blends in with like my arm. And we have My Boyfriend's Purse right there. And this is Controversy. Look how pretty that blended out. Okay, next we have the shade Diet Root Beer right here. So soft, so pigmented. And we have My Apology. Oh my gosh, look at that. And we have Exposed. This palette is so cute. She's pretty light. She's like a light lavender. And then we have Cancelled, which is so pretty. And we also have the Simulation right here. It's blue. It's like a blue metallic. This here is the mini controversy palette. This her. Bam, like all up in your face. So she's kind of like the jewelry box, like how Blue Blood is. And then we have the Shane Dawson little symbol right here and the Conspiracy palette. She is so pretty and sleek. I'm so glad they chose this packaging. This one is so nice. If you watch this series, you can see everything that they did to make this palette. So they showed everything. Okay, so here we're gonna open her up. 1, 2, and ta-da! Look at her. Look at this palette and take it in. This palette is so pretty and so different. Top row you have your neutrals, the second row you have more colorful colors, and the bottom row you have more of like a deeper, darker section. So the first shade I'm gonna swatch is Ranch. So we have Ranch, My Pills. She kind of doesn't show up, but she's pretty light. My Pills. We have Tanacon. And we have Diet Root Beer, which is also in the mini controversy palette. And then we have Just a Theory. Wow. So pretty. So that's Just a Theory. Quick, and we have Spiraling. That is Spiraling. So this is the top row Conspiracy palette. Sorry, this is the top row. Isn't that gorgeous? And I'm also wearing eyeshadow primer on my arm for the swatches. Okay, for the next row we have Conspiracy. Those colors are so pretty. Conspiracy. We have Pigment. We have Food Videos. We have Trisha. Wow, she's so pretty. And we also have Chistas. And that is our second row and our first row all next to each other. Okay, and we have the last row. Here's What's the Tea. Here is Diet Cola. We have Not a Fact. And we have Sleep Paralysis. And here we have Illuminati. This color is like insane. And we also have My Rides here. Oh my god, this shade didn't really show up that well, but it plays, oh there you go, it plays different on the lid. So each section, each row has its own vibe. I can definitely see this like more of a winter vibe or like a holiday vibe. Look how beautiful that shade is. These two right here are so pretty. Okay, now let's do our makeup looks. Start with this shade right here, Tanacon, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. So we're gonna take the shade Tanacon all over. I didn't put foundation on because also if any pigments fell out, I didn't want to start right over. So I'm gonna take this all over the lid, just like that. Super easy. So we're just gonna blend it out. This is the shade Tanacon. Okay, so I have Tanacon all over the lid, and to deepen it up, I'm gonna go into Diet Root Beer. This shade right here, Diet Root Beer, and I'm just gonna deepen that in my crease. Right. Like so. Okay, and that's what we have for now. Not a Fact, and we're gonna put that just in the crease right here. And then after that, we're gonna cut it. So right here, and slowly blend it out. Look how easy this shade is blending. I'm like barely even touching my eye, so like barely feathering it. Gently blend it, like so. I love the Jeffree Star formula in his eyeshadow palettes. They're so easy to use, and then you can blend them very easily, and they last all day. And his palettes are very versatile, so you can honestly wear it to many different places and occasions. To use the shade My Apology over my lid. Brush. I'm gonna take Just a Theory from the palette, and we're gonna put her on the inner of the eye. We're gonna put Just a Theory right here. We're gonna take My Rides here, that deep dark black, and we're gonna add that to the outer. Shade's called My Rides here. Honestly, it's not hard to blend whatsoever. So this is what I got so far, and we're just gonna do this eye too. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow look that I got from using the Controversy palette and the Conspiracy palette. So pretty. So pretty. So I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so this is, I have my face on, and I'm going to add the shade Ranch into my inner corner. It's a super white shimmer shade right in the inner corner. Wow. Just like that. Okay, so this is the completed eye look that we got from using the Controversy and the Conspiracy palette. So I absolutely love this palette already. Look how easy they blend it out. Okay, so I didn't really record myself talking about the palette, but I'm gonna just do it selfie style, I guess. So the palette was very pigmented as always, the same Jeffree Star formula that we have. I'm just gonna set you guys down right there. So for the palette, we have the Mini Controversy palette, and this was super pigmented as always. Each shade, they're so gorgeous. Anyways, I didn't have a hard time blending it out. However, if you are a beginner and you are going to get the palette, I suggest you using a little bit of eyeshadow at a time and building it up slowly versus packing all the eyeshadow on, because it is a pressed pigment palette. This palette is just so beautiful. There's so many, it's so versatile. You can do so many things with it. So thanks for watching my video. I hope to post more YouTube tutorials or reviews on my channel later on, hopefully. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.